let's read the question. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. So in this, we should find the angle measure x, which means this and this. So this is the third subdivision, okay. So in this question, it's really different. Usually we used to have a polygon or a quadrilateral. So in this, we don't have a quadrilateral, am I right? So here, the first step we are going to do is, we are going to check how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 sides, okay. So now why did I just count the sides? Since it's not a quadrilateral, we should check how many sides it's having, okay. So here you guys know that there are 5 sides. So here there is a angle sum property. So let me write angle sum property. Okay. So the angle sum property is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So in this, just memorize this property, okay, n minus 2 into 180 degree. So in this, they are saying the n as the side, okay. So we are naming the side as n, that is the thing in this, okay. So now what we have to do is, we should use a property to solve this. So first of all, what we have to do is, we should use this property. So that is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2. Why 5 minus 2? Because there are 5 sides. Okay. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 into 180 degree. So 3 into 180 degree is 540 degree. So the total sum of the angles. So when we add all these, after finding the value of x, when we add all this up, we will get the answer 540 degree, okay. That's why we did this sum to find out what will be our final answer. So now what we have to do is, according to the figure, you guys can see we have 70 degree, am I right? So to find x, what we have to do is, we should find angle 1. So you guys might wonder, there is no angle 1, then why am I saying angle 1? So here we should take it as angle 1, okay. And this side also we can take it as angle 2. So that you guys can understand angle 1 and angle 2. It's different, right? So you guys can understand. So if we find the angle 1 and angle 2's value, we will be able to find x value easily. So here, what do you guys see? So of course, you might think we can use a property here, right? Yeah, what is that property? Linear pair. So here, let me just draw here and show. So there is a line segment and there is some line, and if it's like this, like two meshes are connected with one line, like another one, let me draw one line and there is another one line like this, and two meshes are connected with one line, right? So that is called as linear pair, okay. So this is called as linear pair. So here we have linear pair because there is a long side and here you can see there are two measures and this is a line segment. So here you can see it is a linear pair. So when we have linear pair, what is the property? So when we add up all the angles in a linear pair, our answer would be 180 degree, okay. So let me write 70 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So in this lesson you should always write the reasons, okay. So here the reason is linear pair. Okay. So now we should solve this. So when we have 70 here, if it's going to the other side, what will happen? Angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Why minus 70 degree? Because when plus goes to the other side, it becomes minus. So minus 70. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 70. It is 110 degree. So now we found the value of angle 1. So you guys might think the sum is over, but not yet. I told you guys that we should find the angle of 2 also, okay. So let me mark it. Angle 1 is equal to 110 degree. So now we should do for angle 2. So here you guys can see we can use the same property again. Here there is a line segment and 2 measures are there. Am I right? Just look at it. So there are 2 measures and it's connected with one long line. And below there is a line segment, which means it is a linear pair. So we can use that property here too. Okay. So now we can write angle 2 plus 60 degree, because like in that linear pair like this it was there. We named it as angle 2 and this was already 60 degree. So plus 60 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because it's a linear pair. When we add up a linear pair, our answer should be 180 degree. Just remember it, okay. So let me write linear pair. Okay. So now angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. You guys might be wondering why minus 60 degree? Because here we have plus 60. Am I right? Plus 60. So when it will go to the other side, it becomes minus 60. Okay, just remember this. When plus goes to the other side, it becomes minus. So now 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Okay. So now we have found the value of angle 1 and angle 2. So now we have the, we can do the sum to find the angle x, okay, the measure of angle x. So how do we do that? Let me explain. So let me draw a line. Yeah. So first, sum of the angles. So sum of the angle is equal to 540 degree. How 540 degree? It's 540 degree because in the starting we used a property. Do you guys remember angle sum property? When we used that property, we got the answer 540 degree. Let me just show you guys. So here you guys can see we did that. We used the angle sum property. So our answer is 540 degree. That's why here I wrote 540 degree. Okay. So just don't get confused for this. So now what we should do is, so the total sum of the angle, which means when we add up all the 5 angles in this when we add all the 5 sides, like all the 5 angles, our answer would be 540 degree. So first let's write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus x plus 30 degree plus 30 degree plus x. Okay. So now I have 30 degree. Am I right? So here you guys might be wondering how how I got 2x. Am I right? Okay, so this is not there. Okay, just make sure, don't get confused. So this 30 is not there. So you guys might wonder how I got 2x. So this is because in the question itself we have 2x. Am I right? Here and here. So I took that 2x here. Okay, don't get confused. So it is equal to 540 degree. Now angle 1 is equal to dash. So angle 1 is 110 degree. So 110 degree plus 120 plus x. So what is the value of x? We don't know, right? So here you guys can notice that we have 2x. Am I right? Here and here. So when we add up x plus x, what do we get? So x plus x is 2x. So we can take that, okay, 2x. So that it gets easier to solve the sum. Plus 30 degree is equal to 540 degree. Okay. So now we should add all this up. 110 plus 120 plus plus 30. So 120 plus 30 is 150. 150 plus 110 is 260 degree. So 260 degree plus 2x, because we didn't solve that yet. Okay, so 2x is equal to 540 degree. Now 2x is equal to, why did I take 2x? Because now we have only we cannot solve any other things, right? We cannot solve 2x now. So only number left is 260. That's why we are taking 260. So 2x is equal to 540 degree minus 260 degree. Why minus? When plus goes to the other side, it becomes minus. That's why. Okay. So now 540 minus 260. So what is the answer? It is 280. 2x is equal to 280 degree. Next what we have to do is x is equal to 280 divided by 2. How 280 divided by 2? So 2x means 2 into x. Okay. 2x means 2 into x. So this means multiplication. Am I right? Into means multiplication. So here when multiplication goes to the other side, it becomes division form. Okay, just remember it. When multiplication goes to the other side, it becomes division. So now we have 280 divided by 2. So now let's cancel it. 2 ones are 2 and 140. Okay. So now how 140? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and the 0 as it is. So our answer is 140. So finally x is equal to 140 degree. I hope you guys understood this sum. This was a little tricky by the way, but the only thing you should remember is when you don't have any sum to do, you should use angle sum property to find the total measure, and especially it's for the angles above 5 sides or 5 sides. Okay, because sum of a quadrilateral you guys know, right? So that one don't need, but for above 5 sides you should use this property. So for example, you have 7 sides, you should use angle sum property, which is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here you should use it as 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. So this was our answer for this question. I hope you guys understood it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to like this video, share it to your
friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment section. You can find my videos in the playlist. You can also find my sister Tanya's video in the playlist. Bye. Take care.